Welcome to Cyber-Theo. Today, I'll show you how to use Google Translate quickly and effectively. Let's get started. First, open the Google Translate app on your phone or go to translate.google.com on your browser. Select the languages you want to translate between. Tap the language buttons at the top to choose your source and target languages. To translate text, type or paste your text into the box on the left. The translation will appear instantly in the box on the right. For voice translation, tap the microphone icon, speak into your device, and see the translation appear in real time. To translate text in images, tap the camera icon, point your camera at the text, and watch as Google Translate overlays the translation on the image. And that's it. You've learned the basics of using Google Translate. For more quick tech tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cyber-Theo.